Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine Marshall from makemoneyonline-niches.com. Now today I am going to be bringing you a review of a product by the name of Luna. Now Luna is a digital training product and software included in the dashboard that will show you exactly what you need to do to rank your videos in YouTube and get more traffic to your videos, and basically to convert the traffic to sales in order to put money in your bank. So first of all, what I want to do is take you over to the sales page first, then have a look at my bonus page and the free bonuses I have available to complement this product, which is Luna. And then we can take a look at the dashboard. I have got members access area, access to this, so we can have a look and have a quick walkthrough of exactly what you will be getting if you decide to pick up Luna through my link in the description box below this video. So, when does this go live? 20th of November, 9 AM EST, which is 2 PM UK time and 3 PM Spanish time. So let's now go over and have a look at the sales page for Luna. Okay, so here we are on the sales page for Luna, and this is the basically way to skyrocket your earnings by using YouTube and videos and being able to rank those higher in the YouTube algorithm, and to use some other methods to get traffic to your videos and then convert that traffic sources to actual conversions and sales. So what they're saying here is that you don't need any prior experience, you don't need any technical knowledge. It's a step-by-step training. There's a free software, and you are guaranteed results or your money back. So this product is brought to you by a couple of friends who are also in this online entrepreneurs in affiliate marketing space. There is Justin Chase and Kaleem Mohammed. Now, Justin has launched products before, and Kaleem, this is his first product launch. So basically I would encourage you to take a look at this sales page at your leisure, because there's lots of information here about the reasons why they created Luna and how they've developed this particular training product. Now, there is also a demo which is introduced to you by Justin Chase, and I do have access to the members dashboard, so we will be going over there later in the video to take a look at exactly what is inside of the dashboard and the training that you will be getting if you decide to pick up Luna through my link, and that's the first link in the description box below this video. Now, obviously here are some of the results that these guys have been having by being able to rank their videos and to get more traffic to their videos. So basically this is the dashboard for Warrior Plus, and as you can see, there is a 30-day sales of $3,565, and the second dashboard is a screenshot showing that in the last 30 days $2,148. So these are the results, and obviously if you want like results from affiliate marketing sales, then I would definitely recommend picking up this product today and implementing some of this training and the hacks that you can discover inside of this training product Luna. So let's go over to my bonus page and take a look at the free bonuses I have available, which will complement this product. So let's have a look at that now. This is my bonus page, and we can have a look at the funnel and what exactly you can get with the upsells alongside with the front end of Luna and all of the modules and training that you will receive. So first of all, the price of Luna on the front end is $12.95. Now the first upgrade is selling at $17 with a downsell of $12, and then the second upgrade is $47 with a downsell of $27, and a third upgrade is a $997 product with a downsell of $497. Now let's quickly explain what these are so that you know when you go through the funnel if you want to actually pick up any of these upgrades. So obviously you've got your training and access to the software within the front end, and then the upsell, the first one is Cosmic. Now what is this about? Basically it's about social boosters, whereby you can leverage a couple of other social media platforms, being Pinterest, Instagram and TikTok, to actually drive more traffic, more organic traffic to YouTube and your videos. So that's the first upsell, guys. Now the second upsell is Supernova, and this one is the resell rights to Luna so that you own the product and you can keep commissions on the whole of this funnel. The third upsell, which is a higher ticket price with a huge discount if it's on the downsell, $497. What this is for you to actually be a product vendor and then launch your own particular product and help to build your email list. So what does it do? They basically help you to create and launch this particular product or a product. And they do all the work and pay for professional sales copy and the designs. You get to keep 100% of the buyer leads and 20% of the profits. So there's a great opportunity there for you to become an online entrepreneur in your own rights. So that is the third upsell. Now, there is a demo video and I encourage you to have a look, because Justin Chase will introduce to you the basic training package in the front end of Luna. To keep this review video shorter, we'll skip that at the moment, okay? Now, my first bonus is $0 to $100 in 24 hours. Now, this product is brought to you by John Armstrong, who is part of the mentor and coaching from myself and also the other two guys who are launching this product. Now, what it is basically what Jono would do if he had zero and had to start from scratch. So basically it would be walking you through how anyone could start over if you lost everything. Now, my second bonus is learn how to get better conversions. Now, obviously, that's what it says on the label. Conversion is you get your traffic, you convert it to a sale. So this is a product that's going to help you with that. Now, the third bonus is how to explode your YouTube channel. So this is another complimentary training with Luna, with helping you with how to get more subscriptions, what to do to increase traffic to your YouTube channel. And then my fourth bonus is something else, another product that can help you, and that's Atomic, done for you. And this again is a product which shows you how you can create your own landing pages, and it's a software that includes a lot of templates that you can actually just create and edit for yourself within lots of different niches, like, you know, all sorts of like weight loss, dog training, whatever it is, and that is atomic, done for you. And you would still access all of the vendor bonuses if you decide to pick up Luna through my link in the description box below this video. Now, that is basically the bonuses I have available if you want to pick up Luna and the training that you would get through my link. Now, if you do decide to pick it up, you will get one of these receipts. It's a Warrior Plus product, and the blue button here on the bottom of that receipt is where you will be getting access to all of the bonuses I've just described. Okay, now let's take a look at the dashboard and behind the scenes of Luna, so that you can decide for yourself whether or not this is going to help you with your business and basically increasing your sales by using the hacks and the information and the knowledge that these two guys have put together within this training. So this is Luna. Now at the front end here you've got the welcome, and there's a message here from Justin, and there's a message here from Kaleem, and you have also got links to their YouTube channel and their Facebook account. Also for Kaleem, you've got his YouTube channel and Facebook, and so that is the welcome messages. Then on the left hand side you've got the YouTube algorithm for 2021, and there's a video on that which is again introduced to you by Justin. Then you've got the rank booster, which is the importance of using keywords in for research, so that you use the right words for your videos, and there's a couple of videos here to explain how you do that. And then you've got Kaleem's 100% search engine optimization score. Now you might just be able to see here is using a software that can show you exactly the score that you have for each video that you actually upload, and there is a way of doing that, and I do that myself, and quite honestly I try to aim for something above 80%, and quite often I do get to 95, sometimes I get to 100, but you've got to work on that, and Kaleem is basically going to show you how you do that in this particular training. And then you've got two softwares explained, which is the software that people use in order to help them to understand how to rank their videos in YouTube. So the first one is vidIQ, and the second one is TubeBuddy. Now TubeBuddy is something that I actually use in my business, so I know how it works. But you can get access to TubeBuddy, and it is free. It's basically a Chrome extension. Now, the next modules here in this training is the click-through rates. So you've got training on how to get more click-throughs, and you've got training on how to stand out, because there is people who are marketing similar products. So you have to basically look at how your thumbnails stand out, because if it does stand out, obviously it's going to, people are going to think, oh, we'll click on that, what is that, what's it all about? So this is training to explain that. Then you've got the next part, which is to get maximum retention. So basically whereby you've got people who are going to actually watch your videos and stay on the videos longer. Then you've got Rocket Launch, which is another module, and you've got how you embed your videos. You've got build out your email list, and using the end section, the end screens and cards, and that's all within your within your YouTube channel. So these are going to be explained and how to do this so that you have optimized basically the videos every time you upload. Then you've got using backlinks, which is another method of being able to rank higher in the YouTube search engines. Then you've got maximizing your results and launch jacking, which is a complete 3-video training by another colleague, and these 3 videos, which is part of a hack. There's including a handy document as well and a case study. So that is basically how you can start off with videos using YouTube, and that's called launch jacking. Now then you've got your engagement boosters, so that is all about how you can engage, what you need to do. So these are videos again giving you some tremendous training on what you need to do there. Then you've got YouTube Shorts, which are taking over TikTok, and so they're going to explain about YouTube Shorts, using basically this as a way to drive traffic as well. And then you have further case study here. Then you've got access to the upgrades there. And then this last part is access to all of the vendor bonuses that you would receive if you decide to pick up Luna and the training on the front end. If you decide to do that, remember the first link is to my bonus page, and that's in the description box below this video. So that is my review of Luna for today, and don't forget it is going live at 9 AM 20th of November, 9 AM EST, which is 2 PM UK time and 3 PM in Spain. So hope you enjoyed this review video, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.